So with the mushrooms, they start out with just the mushroom and I put them on like a petri dish basically. And I grow it till the white fuzz takes over. And then I take that and I put it into a grain jar, which is like this. So all that's mycelium, aka like the root of the plant. And I label it. And then it gets moved into these buckets. So the plastic bags to make more humidity. So I spray it with water and then keep it in a tray, and the mushrooms come out of these little holes that I've made. They're filled with straw. I keep straw in the garage, which my husband hates, and I chop it up with the leaf blower. You have to soak it in hot water to kill all the things that live in it already. And then you put your grain spawn into your straw. So here's what it looks like when it takes over. All of that is mycelium. That is a live mushroom. That's like the roots of our tomato plant. So that when it makes fruit, looks like this. These are still young. They're not ready to be picked yet because the curve has not started to go upwards. That was white oyster. This one's white oyster. I left this big one on so you could see it. So like there's some of the clusters. And then that's what they're supposed to look like. That's all one cluster. So like I can just take it. See, they're ready to be picked because all their edges are turned up. So you can just take it. Oh gosh. And you can twist it and the whole thing comes off. So I keep a scale up here so that I can find out how much these massive things weigh. So when the scale works, so that's 278 grams for one mushroom group. So that's also more white mushroom, white oyster mushroom. I've got blue. This one's going to be blue oyster mushroom. And then I've got these exotic ones I just did for the first time. These are pink oyster mushrooms. So I'll show you these weird guys. They're actually bright pink. Isn't that wild?